Hi and welcome. For many years, BRAG has supported financial institutions and regulators to create effective data ecosystems. With innovation at its core, BRAG has fused business expertise and IT knowledge to develop two data platforms which we'll explore today. The first is Atome Particles, which is used to capture data according to the annotated templates, validate the data using the latest taxonomies, and then map it to the output format, XBRL. Then the second one we'll have a look at is Atome Matter, which is a metadata management platform designed to map data reporting requirements into clear and precise data models. Let's have a look. Atome Particles is a desktop application that uses a file-based system to process data. This single application can house all of your XBRL regulatory frameworks. So in the context of Solvency II, this means that the software supports not just the regular supervisory reporting, but also NSTs, third country branch reporting, and ECB add-ons. Data entry is performed in tables that conform with the annotated tables. Data can also be uploaded from XBRL and from Microsoft Excel. Excel uploads include the visual format, in other words, the annotated templates, but it also supports DPL, or data point list format, which is ideal if mapping data from upstream systems. Validations are available at point of entry, and users can quickly drill down into errors and warnings. Drilling will automatically open up other templates if they are interlinked by rules. The validation window makes it easy to break down the components of a rule so that you can identify where corrections need to be made. Once all data is uploaded and validations are cleared, it's time to produce the final XBRL file for submission. In Particles, users can cherry-pick which templates to include in their XBRL file, although it will default to include all templates that contain data. A single button click and the XBRL is generated, ready for upload into the regulator's portal. So as you can see, Particles is a really handy tool to help you upload, validate, and map your Solvency II data to XBRL, looking at all of the elements of your data through the eyes of the taxonomy. Matter, on the other hand, allows you to tailor the taxonomy to reflect your reporting landscape. Now, this very tool was designed for regulators to create and manage their own taxonomies. XBRL data point modeling may appear daunting, but this application offers a human-readable interface that makes the process of modification easy by the business. You don't need any specialized IT skills. You can modify all elements of the taxonomy. For example, if your business sells only life, there's little point in having non-life and reinsurance-specific QRTs within the scope of reporting. Validations can be extended, edited, and even removed. This is a useful feature if you have your own internal business rules that you'd like to enforce. You can even modify the input tables or create new ones using simple drag and drop functionality. Now, you may be thinking, what is the point in modifying the taxonomy if a new one is released a couple times each year? Well, Matter has a very smart module that will help you manage the changes. Using the Compare tool, you can not only compare the changes against your modified taxonomy, but you can even compare the new taxonomy with the old. And once you're happy with your own rules, you can use Matter's merge feature to merge all of your own rules on top of any new taxonomy. And there you have it, two products by BRAG that truly complement each other very well. You have Atome Particles, which is your end user application, used to capture, validate, and map your Solvency II data, whilst Atome Matter will allow you to modify any taxonomy to reflect your reporting landscape. If you'd like to learn more about these solutions and how they can potentially help you, visit us at DemoCentre.io and book a demo to learn more. Thanks for watching.